The final frontier is no longer just a dream. Companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are making headlines with their groundbreaking commercial space flights, bringing the concept of space tourism closer to reality. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of commercial space tourism. Hi everyone, in today's video, we're exploring how companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are revolutionizing space travel, making it possible for civilians to experience the wonders of space. First up, Blue Origin. Founded by Amazon's Jeff Bezos, Blue Origin has been at the forefront of commercial space travel. Passengers aboard New Shepard experience a journey unlike any other, reaching the Kármán line, the internationally recognized boundary of space. Next we have Virgin Galactic, founded by Sir Richard Branson. Virgin Galactic aims to make space accessible to everyone with their SpaceShipTwo, VSS Unity. VSS Unity is designed for suborbital space flights, carrying passengers to the edge of space for a truly out-of-this-world experience. Imagine floating in zero gravity and gazing at the curvature of the Earth. That's what passengers can expect on a Virgin Galactic flight. But this is just the beginning. Both Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic have ambitious plans for the future of space tourism. From lunar missions to potential journeys to Mars, the possibilities are endless. The dream of space tourism is rapidly becoming a reality. So how can you get involved? Both companies are already accepting reservations for their space flights. While the price tag is still high, it's only a matter of time before space travel becomes more affordable and accessible. Whether you're a space enthusiast or just curious about the final frontier, the future of space tourism is something we can all look forward to. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the exciting world of commercial space tourism. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on the latest in space and technology. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars.